These are 3 animals that give birth in the strangest ways, and number 1 is unbelievable. Number 3, scorpion. When baby scorpions are born, they immediately climb onto their mother's back. They stay there for weeks, protected until they become strong enough to survive on their own. Number 2, crocodile. Baby crocodiles begin making sounds from inside their eggs before they hatch. When the mother hears them, she carefully helps them out and carries them to the water inside her mouth while protecting them from danger. Before number 1, if you're not a crocodile, like this video and subscribe. Only humans can do that. Number 1, snake. Some snakes don't lay eggs at all. Instead, they give birth to live babies, which are ready to move almost immediately after birth.